Welcome to Amya channel. We are doing revision. We are solving the questions of real number chapter. Okay. And shortly, if the question answer session will be over, we will be exactly doing polynomial chapter. Fine. Because real numbers, some 2-3 marks are coming from there. Mostly 1 mark, 2 mark question will be coming from real number. Big chapters are still left. Okay. So that chapter we have to see and we have to solve the questions. So next question for today's first important question is use Euclid division. I think we have done this question. 2 questions we have already done. So we have to do this question. Okay, write the question. This is an NCERT question. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. Of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of maximum number? What is the maximum number? What is the maximum number what is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So can anybody tell me what is the maximum number of columns they can march, Peter? Yes, beta, it's simply HCF is needed. Okay, so exactly how many members are there? Total 616 members are there, and 32 members were present in a members in a parade, and other members are just following them. So definitely maximum number of columns is equal to HCF. So we will write how to present this and write the answer correctly. So beta, here everyone is knowing when maximum word is there HCF, minimum is there LCM. But beta, by merely understanding you have to do HCF or LCM, you cannot give a perfect justice to the answer. Here you have to know how to write it. So we are writing it, let our maximum number of columns is equal to HCF of 616 and 32. HCF of how much? 616 and 32. So that means maximum number of column is equal to HCF of 616 number. That means that how many that members are there and 32. So what you have to do now, use Euclid. So you just write, explain here using Euclid's division lemma. Very good. So I have not seen your comments. I was in different part of the world. Let me see who has solved it first. Okay. Using Euclid's division lemma or algorithm for 616 and 32, we get now only solving part is left with us. 616 is equal to 32 into how much you will do to bring. So here 32 will be divided, multiplied. So 32 will be multiplied to 18, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24. Okay, 25 into 2, 3. 576 is coming. Okay, Kamya is telling 19 I should use. Okay, Kamya, I'm using 19. Using 19 beta. 32 into 19. Fine. So into 19 plus how much remainder is coming? 8. Now 32 will be here. 8 will be dividing. So their HCF is equal to 8. So maximum number of columns is 8. Don't forget write the last point. Understood? Easy? One prime factorization, maximum or minimum. They will be asking how many minimum number of rows. But these are called as rows. Columns. So here, 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 here. So alignment will be there, there also. Next question, right? Next question. I'll give you time to solve. But before this, let me see who solved the answer correct first. Ajay, Janani, okay, Kamya, Arif, Arif no, Kamya, V Kavya, Abhinami, Mustafa, Yaini, Kamya, Akshaya, Sudarshan. Now look here, but in the test I have asked a question. That question you all are having doubt. Let's see that question and solve the question. Give me just 1 minute to take out the question. Maths question number 4. Maths question number 4. Everybody is having how this number is, everybody is having doubt how this number is composite number. How this number is composite number. Everybody is having doubt about this, how this number is composite number. Can anybody explain how this number is composite number? I'm writing the number. Where is that pen went by? Okay, beta. Now here one very important point I must tell you that the last digit is 5. Since the last digit is 5, it is definitely be divisible by 5. Okay, it is a factor, so definitely it will have a factor. So what statement you are going to write, since the number last digit is 5, so if this number will 100% be divisible by 5. So definitely it will have a cofactor more than one number. Okay, it will have a cofactor, it will have cofactor more than one in number. So since it will have cofactor more than one in number, it will be exactly called as composite number. It will be exactly called as what? Composite number. What it will be exactly called as? Composite number. What it will be called as? Yeah, it will have factor more than one. So definitely last digit 5 is there. So 5 multiple will be there in this equation. So that 5 multiple will be exactly telling us that no, it is not composite, it is some other number. So will you able to prove that? Will you be able to find the prime factorization? Okay, let me solve. Let me solve this question one time. You will be able to understand. And here again 5 6 are 30 will come, so 2 will come down. Again 2, 5 4 are 20. Cancel it, beta, cancel it. Tell me, will it be divisible? Yeah, it will be divisible. By divisibility rule by 5, it will be divisible, beta. So 1 2 went, another 1 2 came here, so 2 will come out, 2 3. Again you will write 5 4 are 20. Then 3 will come, another 3 will come out, 5 6 are 30. So again one more 3 came. Now again 4, 5 6 are 30. Okay, now again 35 will come. So like this one big number will be coming. So that number will be exactly one factor will be there, one that number will be there, and one will be there. So definitely it is having more than one or two factors. So that why that number will be composite number. So after 43, 3 came, 5 will come, 5 sevens are 35. Now 6 came, then again we will write here 1. Now 3 I have kept here, so 3 will come here. Now how many we have already written like this, you have to solve. So one factor will come here, 5 will be there or 1 will be there. So it will have more than one factor. So only since it is having more than one factor, that's why it is not a prime number, it is exactly composite number. Because 5 will be there, 1 will be there, some other number will be there. Because of that, it will not be considered as prime. It will be considered as composite number. Okay. In the test question, any other doubt question? So you could have divided and find the prime factorization. That is, I gave you the clue that day also. Because the number which is not prime is called as composite number. A composite number is that number which is having factor more than 3. Composite numbers are those numbers which is exactly having factors more than 3, will be called as composite numbers. Okay. So those composite numbers which will have factor more than 3, we will be exactly using that numbers only. Understood? Three number means more than 3 factors will be there, they will be called as composite. Okay. But prime factors, prime factorization will have only 2 numbers, na? But composite will have more than 2 factors. Okay. Okay. 3 or more than 2 auntie, it is exactly called as what? Okay, Rashti is telling, wait, I have to wear specs. Auntie, should we do prime factorization or it is enough if we, yes, but see which question they are telling prime factorization, solve it by prime factorization, which question they are telling, solve it by what you call, what we say, solve it by Euclid, use Euclid division. Okay, it is totally up to your wish. Now next question was what question? So here the 5 will be one factor, then this factor will be coming, this will again one more time will get divided by any other number. So 2 3 factor you take out from this division, and then it will not be called what you called, it will be a composite number, it will not be prime number. Okay. After division, beta, you can take it and write it down about this. After division, you can take it out and write about this. You can do this. Now, beta, let's go for just 1 minute. Just take out prime factorization of certain numbers. Prime factorization of certain numbers I'm giving you. Let's see you know how to do prime factorization or not. Queen. Find the prime factorization of it, beta. Find the prime factor of it. First one, who can give the answer? First one. Yes, you have to check, beta. Look here, Rashri, if you can find the factor, then only beta. See, for composite number, okay, Nitesh is telling 3 into 3 into 73 for 67, 657. Rashri, you have to check, beta. Without checking, we cannot say that directly that this is the answer. You have to first check and then you have to say the answer. Like 657 is there, na? Now you know divisibility of 3. Outside last, what you call odd number is there. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So 3 2 are 6, 3 1s are 3, and then 2 7, 3 9s are 27. Again 9 plus 1 to 12, so this will be 3 7s are 21, 73. So understood. 7 into 3, Hare 7 into 3 will come, 73 will come, Mustafa. That is correct. Nandini is also correct. Rest of this, what they're doing, talk about 306. You have already finished 657. Okay. 2 into 2, 2, 2, Ajay. 2 into 3 into 3 into 17, 306. And Jenny is telling, okay, 1 into 3. Okay, Abhirami has also given answer. Now look here, beta, 306. 306 will be written as? So what is the prime factorization? 3, 3, 17, 2. Prime factorization is 3, 3, 72. Why it is difficult for writing 3, 3, 72? Or a Pavi 3, 3. Now go for 81, but 81 is the easiest one. I think 81 anyone can do. Very good, Tawfiq. 81 will be written as prime factorization. Only prime numbers will be coming as factor. Pani ka bottle. Only prime number will come as factor. 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 81. That is 3 to the power 4. Akshay is correct. Sudarshan is correct. Kamya is correct. Tawfiq is correct. All of you, those who have written 3 to the power 4 is absolutely correct answer. 3 to the power 4 is absolutely correct answer. I'm very much satisfied by your performance. So now tell me, this number is a composite or not? Question is, find the prime factorization of it. And if it will have more than 2 factors, then it is composite. 100% it is composite, beta, because last digit 0 is there. That's why I gave you that question. In last question also, last digit was 5. So definitely you will be getting a factor of it. Since you will be getting factor 7 into 2, that is 2 5 super, very good. Absolutely correct, beta. It is exactly prime factor will come as 2 into 3. Sometimes screen is not working. Network problem or something, don't know. 2 into 3. We have to bring 17 us. So 2 into 3 into 2. 606, 6 is 12. Will it be correct? Because we have to bring 21. 21 is 3 and 7. 3, 7. And then 0 means 10. 10 is 2 and 5. So here 10, 2 and 5. So 2, 3, 7, 5. Correct only. Abhirami is correct. Kamya is correct. Kavya is correct. Okay, there are two Kavyas. एक मिनट देना. There are two Kavyas, V Kavya and H Kavya. Sorry, S Kavya and let me see. Okay. So how many have given the answer? First answer given by Appa, you have given this much messages. Janani, Sudarshan, Nandini, Abhirami, Kamya, V Kavya, Kaushika Shri, Janani. In the opposite order, I am telling the names of the children, those who have given the answers. Very well done. Very, very, very well done. Now you have to identify this one is rational, recurring or non-recurring. So you have to answer terminating, repeating, non-terminating, non-terminating, repeating. Okay. So out of these two pattern, you have to answer a question, not this number. I'm giving you a number and your time starts now. Let's see who can answer first. Terminating. Akshaya, correct. First one who has given the correct answer is Akshaya. Akshaya gave the answer non-terminating and repeating. So non-terminating, because we cannot terminate it. With 2 and 7 we can understand, but 7 to the power 5 will not divide 129. Okay, and 7 to the power 5 is there. So definitely denominator is heavy. So number keeps on after decimal, the number keeps on repeating. So that means it is repeating. Non-terminating means you cannot terminate it out. So it is non-terminating and repeating. Very good. So now let's see non-terminating, repeating. Ajay, Janani, Kavya, Mustafa. Everybody gave the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Yes, 7 is, listen, because 7 to the power, yes, denominator 7 to the power 5 is there. That will not be able to divide the numerator. And because of that, it will come repeating. And it will not get terminated. And it will keep on getting repeated. Okay, it will not get terminated. It will keep on getting repeated. Because of that only. It will not get terminated. It will keep on getting repeated. It will not get terminated. It will keep on getting repeated. Let's go for next question. Okay, identify. By seeing the question, you can say the answer. Seriously? We Kavya, think about it. Kamya said non-terminating. We have to say about both with it, non-terminating, repeating, or terminating, non-repeating. Very good. Non-terminating, repeating. Why beta? Because 455, it will, if you will cancel, no common factor is coming for cancelling here. So definitely it will be exactly non-terminating, which you cannot terminate it out and will keep on coming repeated. So that's why it is called as non-terminating and repeating. Next question. Answer this question. 77 by 210. Okay, everybody started flooding the answer. I didn't saw that answer. Okay. Sudarshan repeating. I'll go from the beginning. Non-terminating, repeating, Abhirami prevents. Okay. Non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating. Sudarshan is telling repeating. Rashri is telling non-terminating, repeating. Kamya non-terminating, repeating. Abhirami is telling non-terminating and repeating. Janani non-terminating. So look here, beta. 77 and 217 both come in 7 tables. 7 11s are 77. So here what you are getting, 7 11s are 77 and 7 30s are 7 3s are 21. So 30. So 7 and 7 we have taken out and cancelled it. But beta, here the problem is 3. 3 cannot completely divide. So it will be non-terminating. Non-terminating, see what nice handwriting I'm having. Non-terminating. Non-terminating and repeating. So one entire session of real numbers we have finished. We discussed about rational numbers. We discussed about irrational numbers. We learned how to solve Euclid questions. Now it's time to do total practice session. Total practice session I'm going to keep. Yes, Janani, that's why I'm not starting any other topic. These questions will be coming for 1 mark, beta. So total 1 hour session today evening also I'm going to keep so that you can be. We should, what auntie should we see terminating or non-terminating in numerator? Beta, it should cancel.